got running in here?
It's 6 ZV5 15s on Soundigital 35K, and got 4 Autotech 370s up front, 275 amperes, LiPo 4.
Oh, you got plenty in here.
Yeah,
hey, you
so
know
far
it's never enough for it, is it? No. I think I seen you at the show over in Arkansas. I don't think I got to catch you at the truck though.
Yeah,
Yeah, it was hot out there that day, wasn't it?
Oh man, yeah. It was,
this is pretty good compared to that.
oh yeah, it's a lot cooler here than it was there. That day it was cooking.
Yeah, on the pavement.
I had a 17K in there at that show, and man, that sucker was getting about like 160, 170 degrees. It was cooking.
You had to break that power up a little bit.
Yeah. Now this 35K, it does everything I wanted to do, and
there's one big sound digital.
Huh?
One big sound digital now.
Yeah, it's just the 35,000.1.
I didn't know they made one that big.
Yeah.
I thought you were saying you got 35,000.
No.
You got one big one.
Yeah, just one big amp. The nice thing is like they're rated at 35K at 12.6 volt, and they're rated at 39 and 56 at 39,056 watts at like 14.4.
Oh yeah, you can't beat that.
So 1 amp, man.
It's almost like a low voltage amp almost, ain't it? Like a low voltage amp, you can
almost, yeah. It's doing good so far. I mean,
you can't complain.
I got it wired a little low.
Hey, but you know it's how
it's at 0.7. So
oh, that ain't that bad. Yeah, I thought you were gonna say something a little lower than that.
Oh, no. I ain't never been lower than 0.67 on anything. Yeah.
time catching up with you. What's your next show you going to?
Man, I really don't know. I gotta look at my work schedule.
Yeah,
I got a weird schedule.
See which one you can get off on that, man.
Yeah, I'm trying to make something else.
Hey, hopefully I'm gonna come down.
Wait the day in October.
Yeah.
I'm definitely gonna be at that.
Yeah, I definitely get there. We'll see each other again, man. All right, appreciate it, bro.
Yeah.